Today we're building what's called the TUF system. We're going all in on ASUS TUF components. We're starting off with the B650 coming in from ASUS and the TUF version. It's got some Wi-Fi, B650 TUF. We've got a 2 TB drive coming from Kingston for storage. We have 32 gigs of 6000 CL30 RAM coming from the team, the Delta RGB, but we are putting it in the beautiful OG Leanly 011 dynamic. We got 3 additional TUF TF120. That's right, the TF120s. On top of that, we're cooling it with the LC2, which is an ASUS TUF cooler. It looks absolutely stunning. To top it all off, 4070 Ti TUF OC from ASUS and the RTX 4070 Ti Super. Absolutely beautiful build.
3, 2, 1.
Let us know what you think down below.